Using the Modul Air Stairlift is super simple. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Lower the seat. Fold down the seat when you're ready to use it. Step 2. Footrest unfolds. With a light touch of the button, the footrest unfolds automatically. No bending down required. Step 3. Fasten the seatbelt. Ensure a safe ride by securing the seatbelt. Step 4. Start moving. Gently press the lever and the chair will smoothly start moving, thanks to its slow start and stop system. Step 5. Automatic stop. The chair halts automatically at the end of the stairs. Step 6. Swivel for safety. Safely swivel the chair to the side, unfasten the seatbelt, and step off easily. Moving on to its additional features. Remote control includes a convenient remote for effortless operation. Safety system features a comprehensive safety system for peace of mind. Easy installation. The rail securely attaches to your stairs without touching the walls. Ideal for narrow spaces and tight doorways. Our consultants are ready to explain all the Modul Air Stairlift features and options to you.